Hi, my name's Tyler Thrasher and I am the Chief Information Officer here at Radiate. I started with Radiate about 4 years ago from a network operations background and security compliance. And I love working with our team here at Radiate and our strategically managed customers. So one thing special about working here at Radiate is the proactive way we have of managing our customers. What we do is we match the business objectives and risk with technical solutions.